kind of renovations require a deep clean?
Almost every renovation, no matter how small, leaves behind more dust and residue than most people expect. And professional cleaning is essential to make the space safe, functional, and beautiful again. Here are the most common renovation types that require a post-construction clean. Kitchen renovations: dust in drawers, adhesive residue on bench tops, fingerprints on new cabinetry. Bathroom renovations: tile grout haze, silicone smears, dust inside drawers and on mirror edges. Wall removals or plastering: fine plaster dust that clings to ceilings, vents and window sills. Painting or floor sanding: surface dust, paint flecks on trims and windows, and airborne particles. Full home renovations or extensions: widespread debris, footprints, construction grime, and dust in every corner. Even cosmetic upgrades like new carpet, cabinetry, or feature lighting can create messes you didn't plan for. Our team knows exactly how to handle each type, ensuring a sparkling finish that highlights the beauty of your new space.